Can you export a Gantt chart from Wrike? Let's find out. Imagine you've just finished crafting the perfect Gantt chart in Wrike. It's a masterpiece of project planning, visually representing your tasks, dependencies, and deadlines. But then the question arises, can you export this beautiful creation to share it with your team or clients? Today, we're diving into Wrike to answer that very question. We'll explore different export options and learn how to preserve the integrity of your Gantt chart while sharing it outside the Wrike platform. Understanding Gantt charts in Wrike. Before we get into exporting, let's quickly recap what a Gantt chart is in Wrike. It's a visual representation of your project schedule, where tasks are displayed as bars on a timeline. The length of each bar indicates the duration of the task, and the position on the timeline shows its start and end dates. Wrike's Gantt charts are customizable and interactive, allowing you to add dependencies, milestones, and even assign resources to tasks. Exporting options in Wrike. Now let's get to the exciting part, exporting your Gantt chart. Wrike offers a few options to share your project visualization with others. Image export. This is the simplest method. You can right-click on the Gantt chart and select Save as Image. This will save the chart as a picture file, like a JPEG or PNG, which you can then share or embed in documents. Pros, easy to do, can be shared widely. Cons, static image, doesn't allow for interaction or updates. PDF export. Similar to the image export, you can save the Gantt chart as a PDF file. This is a good option if you need a high-quality, printable version of your chart. Pros, high-quality output, can be printed or shared digitally. Cons, static image, doesn't allow for interaction or updates. CSV export. For those who prefer working with data, Wrike allows you to export your Gantt chart data as a CSV file. This can be helpful if you need to analyze the data in a spreadsheet or import it into another project management tool. Pros, can be analyzed in spreadsheets imported into other tools. Cons, requires data analysis skills to interpret the CSV file. Sharing within Wrike. If you're working with a team within Wrike, you can simply share the project containing the Gantt chart. This allows others to view and interact with the chart directly in Wrike. Pros, allows for collaboration and real-time updates. Cons, requires recipients to have access to Wrike. Preserving chart integrity. When exporting your Gantt chart, it's important to consider how you want to preserve its integrity. Here are a few tips. Choose the right format. Depending on your needs, select the format that best suits your purpose. For sharing with non-Wrike users, an image or PDF might be sufficient. For data analysis or import into other tools, a CSV file might be more appropriate. Maintain formatting. Ensure that the exported chart retains its original formatting, including colors, fonts, and layout. This will help maintain its visual appeal and readability. Consider interactivity. If you want to allow others to interact with the chart, e.g., zoom, pan, or drill down into details, sharing the project within Wrike or using a specialized Gantt chart software might be better options. So, can you export a Gantt chart from Wrike? Absolutely. With a variety of export options available, you can easily share your project visualizations with others. Whether you need a static image, a printable PDF, or data for analysis, Wrike has you covered. Remember to choose the right format and consider how you want to preserve the integrity of your chart. By following these tips, you can effectively communicate your project plans and keep everyone on the same page. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.